Question number 4. Which is greater? 1 by 2 of 3 by 4 or 3 by 5 of 5 by 8? First you take this one. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. We have to cancel here. 2 ones are 2 twos are. What remains? 1 into 3 divided by 7 into 2. It is 14. So 3 by 14 here. And this side. 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 5 get cancels. 3 by 8 remains. Okay. Now these two fractions. We have to see what to do here now. Converting these fractions, these two fractions in like fractions. Converting 3 by 14 and 3 by 8 into like fractions. For that what we should do is 3 by 14. LCM we have to find. LCM of 14 and 8 is 56. So 3 by 14. 56 means 14 4s are 56. 12 by 56. Then take the second fraction. 3 by 8 into 8 7s are 56. Here is a 21. Now 21 by 56 is greater. By seeing these two, 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. It means 3 by 8 we will write here. Okay. 21 by 56 is greater than 12 by 56. It means that 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. Therefore, 3 by 5 of 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater. See here, once again I will explain you. First we have to simplify this one. 2 by 7 into 3 by 4. 2 twos are here, 2 ones are both get cancels. 3 by 14 is remains is equal to 3 by 14. This side 3 by 5 into 5 by 8. 5 ones are 3 by 8 remains. Converting 3 by 14 and 3 by 8 into like fractions. For that we have to find the LCM. LCM is 56. Now 3 by 14. In order to make the LCM 56, we should multiply 14 by 4. 4 by 4. 3 4s are 12. 14 4s are 56. Then here 8 7s are 56. So 7 by 7. 3 7s are 21 by 56. Here in these two 21 by 56 is greater. So 3 by 8 is greater than 3 by 14. Therefore 3 by 5 of 5 by 8 is greater than 2 by 7 of 3 by 4. Second one, do as a homework. Same method you have to follow. 1 by 2 into 6 by 7. 2 by 3 into 3 by 7. Here you multiply these two. What you will get you see. And this side also. You have, in order to convert the like fractions, you have to find the LCM. And then multiply. And then which is greater you can find and write. Either this is greater or this is greater. Write this homework in the classwork only. Question number 5. Shaili plants 4 saplings in a row in her garden. The distance between 2 adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Find the distance between the first and the last sapling. See here. Here are the 4 saplings. 4 agigolu. Then in one row, the gap between 2 saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Okay? Gap between 2 saplings is 3 by 4 meters. Here is gap 1, second gap, third gap. It is a first sapling second sapling, it is a third sapling, and it is a fourth sapling. Okay. How many saplings are there here? 4 saplings. She plants 4 saplings in a row. Who is that girl? Saili plants 4 saplings in a row. Distance between 2 saplings is 3 by 4 meters. And it can be observed that how many gaps are there? 3 gaps. It can be observed that gap between first and last sapling is gap between first and last sapling is 3. Is not it? Therefore, here length of one gap is how much? 3 by 4 meters. Therefore, the distance between first and last sapling is equal to 3 gaps into 3 by 4 meters. So, what is the answer here? 9 by 4. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 by 4 meters. Convert into mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8. 1 by 4 meters. Means 2 integer. 1 by 4 meters. So here 4 saplings are there. 3 gaps are there. 4 saplings are there in one row and 3 gaps are there. So it can be observed here. How many gaps? 3 gaps. And the length of one gap is 3 by 4 meters. So the distance between first and the last sapling is 3 into 3 by 4. We have to simplify it. We will get 9 by 4 meters. You write it in the mixed fraction. You will get 1 into 4 to the 2 integer 1 by 4 meters. Do question number 6 as a homework. Now we will go to the next question. Question number 7. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. How much distance will it cover using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol? Yes. In 1 liter, how many kilometers it will run? 16 kilometers. So, number of kilometers a car can run per liter, means 1 liter per liter is equal to 16 kilometers. Means for 1 liter a car runs 16 kilometers. Then what quantity of petrol is given? Quantity of petrol 2 integer 3 by 4 liters is given. What we have to find? Number of kilometers. How many kilometers the car will run by using 2 integer 3 by 4 liters. So convert into improper fractions. 11 by 4 liters. Then number of kilometers a car can run for 11 by 4 liters is equal to 11 by 4 into 16. 4 ones are 4 fours are. So 44 kilometers. Therefore, the car will run 44 kilometers. A car will run 44 kilometers by using two integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Okay, see here what is given. A car runs 16 kilometers using 1 liter of petrol. For 1 liter 16 kilometers it will run, and they give the quantity of petrol 2 integer 3 by 4 liters. Convert into improper fraction 11 by 4 liters. Number of kilometers a car can run for 11 by 4 liters is, multiply these two, 11 by 4 into 16, we will get 44 kilometers, because here 11 and 4 are there. 11 fours are 44. So we got 44. A car will run 44 kilometers by using two integer 3 by 4 liters of petrol. Question number 8. Provide the number in the box such that 2 by 3 into box is equal to 10 by 30. Here in the gap, which number should be there, we have to find. See here. 2 into which number is 10? 2 into 5 is 10. Okay. Then 3 into 10. 3 tens are 30. So here 5 by 10 is the answer. If 5 by 10 is in the box, then we will get 2 by 3 into 5 by 10 is equal to 10 by 30. Okay. Then what they asked? The simplest form of the number obtained in the box is, in the box what we get? 5 by 10. So 1 by 2 is the answer. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So 1 by 2. Question number 8, second one. Provide the number in the box such that 3 by 5 into dash is equal to 24 by 75. Now see here. 3 into 8 is 24. Is not it? 3 into 8 is equal to 24. And here 5 into 15 5s are 75. So 5 into 15 is equal to 75. Therefore 8 by 15 is the answer here. 3 by 5 into 8 by 15 is equal to 24 by 75. 8 by 15 is in the box. Now we have to simplify it, and what we should get to, we have to see. We can't cancel these two numbers. So the number in the box simplified is 8 by 15. This completes the exercise 2.3. Complete the classwork.